Why we need to learn algebra? We need to learn algebra to develop your critical thinking skills. That includes problem solving, logic, patterns, and reasoning. You need to know algebra for many professions, especially those in science and mathematics. What is algebra? Algebra is nothing but combinations of constant and variables connected with the fundamental operations. What is a term? A term is a single mathematical expression. It may be single number, positive or negative. For example, 2 minus 2, 500 minus 45, 1 minus 10 are single terms. 2, 500, 1 are positive single terms. Minus 2 minus 45 minus 10 are negative single term. The term is a single variable or several variables multiplied but never added or subtracted. For example, a minus x, ayz minus yz are single term. A and minus x are single variable. Ayz minus yz are more than one variable. Some terms contain variables with a number in front of them. For example, 2a minus 7x, 6ay, 5ayz minus 8yz are single terms. 2 minus 7, 6, 5 and minus 8 are numbers. Coefficient. There are two types of coefficient. First one, numerical coefficient, and another one, literal coefficient. First we have go to numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is nothing but the numerical factor or numerical value of the term. For example, 2a minus 7x, 6ay, 5ayz minus 8yz. 2 minus 7, 6, 5 minus 8 are numerical coefficient. Literal coefficient. Literal coefficient is nothing but the alphabet or variable of the term. For example, 2a minus 7x, 6ay, 5ayz minus 8yz. A, x, ay, ayz, yz are literal coefficient. Degree. The largest exponent variable as in a polynomial with one variable or more than one variable. For example, minus 7x square is one term. Minus 7 is numerical coefficient of a term. X is base of a term. 2 is exponent of a term. Then the degree of a term is 2. Another example, 8x square y cube is one term. 8 is numerical coefficient of a term. X and y are base of a term. 2 is exponent of variable x and 3 is exponent of variable y. Then the degree of a term is 5. To add the exponent value 2 and 3. Next example, given the polynomial 6x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 3 is fourth term. 6, 2, 1 are numerical coefficients of x cube, x square and x respectively. The degree of a polynomial is 3 because the largest exponent value is 3.